What's up, friends? You guys for some reason love this damn GY6 top speed video, so we're gonna do it again, except this time we're gonna have science with a GPS on my phone. And you can tell right now it's reading 36-37, but GPS says 30. Damn, that sucks. We are going up a hill though, and I'm wearing shorts today, so if I get the death wobble while doing this, I'm gonna die. Alright, here we go. We're gonna get run over on this road, I guarantee you. Yay. Alright. So let's see what this thing will do. We'll keep this nice and short for y'all, mainly because I don't want to die. Maybe I should put this visor down, where y'all can hear me better. So it's reading 40 on the speedometer, but GPS says 32. About to go back down a hill, so let's see what happens. Hope y'all can see the phone. Sun's kind of bright today. So there we go, 33. Good God, this is embarrassing. Hey, look at that, another police car. It's like all the police forces moved on this road. Huh. Yeah, 32, so yeah, she's pretty damn slow. I wonder if I should go all the way into town. There ain't nobody behind me yet. There will be. Yay, I'm embarrassed. The good thing is about these little GY6s, 50cc's, is they run forever on a tank of gas. I think it holds like a gallon or a gallon and a half or something. And then it runs forever. Alright, here we go. 36. 37. There you go. Look at that. That's going up a hill. And it's funny, if you read the manual on this little thing, it says, it's in broken Chinese. If I can find a copy of it, I'll put it up here for you. It says something like, do not run wide open all the time. How else can you ride this thing except wide open all the time? The damn thing is just, yeah, you got to run it wide open. So what we get up to? 36, 37, that's it, man. She's slow. There we go. I got to turn here, so I'm going to drop my phone before I wreck. There we go. Embarrassing as hell.